How's it going, everybody? In this video, we're going to show you how to sign up with a broker and how to place a trade. The broker we're going to show you how to sign up with is CoinX. So by going to our home page, which is bciforex.com, you're going to go to the top left, click on the menu button, then you're going to click on Getting Started. After you get to the Getting Started page, then we're going to scroll down to step 1, where it says Sign Up with a Broker. The brokers you see that we recommend is Hugo's Way and CoinX, but for this video, we're going to do just CoinX. It's a lot. It's pretty much the same thing between Hugo's Way and CoinX. It's just that CoinX is less steps on signing up, so that we recommend it for the new traders. Hugo's Way has a couple more steps, but just for this video, we're going to do CoinX. So it's not a difference in money or anything like that. It's pretty much you can make the same amount of money on either one. It's just a little easier to sign up on CoinX. So we're going to click on the link CoinX. It's going to take us to the CoinX home page. Here you will see the word sign up. So we're going to click on that. Then it's going to take us to the actual sign up. You're going to enter in all the fields and then agree to the disclosure agreement at the bottom. Check the box. So I'm going to enter in some information and then we're going to go to the next step. Once you get done entering the fields with your information, then you're going to go to the hit sign up. Then we're going to get to this page. This pop-up is going to say verify your account. So they're going to send you a 6-digit code to your email address. So I'm going to go over there and get my 6-digit code from the email, copy it, and then paste it. All right, I pasted my 6-digit code in that box. So now we're in. We officially have a CoinX account. Now we have a CoinX account. We don't have a trading account yet, so we have to create a trading account. So the first thing we're going to do, once you get your code and you get signed in, you're going to be on a dashboard. It's going to be the first page you see is dashboard. So at the top, it's going to say, you're going to notice select trading account here. If you click on that, I know you see some account numbers on mine because I had this account, it's a dummy account. I had this account open, but on yours it's probably going to be all blank. So we need to open you up a live account. Your live account number is going to be here once you open up an account. It's going to be in this section. So let's go back. So now we go to the top right corner, the menu. I'm going to select that. Then we're going to go down to a live account. Once we click on live account, you're going to see it's going to say create account with MT4, create account with MT5, create account with ActTrader. We want to create account with MT4. So we're going to click create account. Now we have to select our leverage. Our leverage would be 500 to 1. Always choose 500 to 1. If you want to know what leverage is, you can go to the BCI FOREX page and they'll explain to you exactly what leverage means. So we're going to choose 500 to 1. Then for select currency, we're going to choose USD, which is for the dollar, US dollar. Then we're going to select new MT4 live account. So now it says your account has been successfully created. Your credentials are as follows. So now you have your trading ID, your password, and your server, which is the CoinX Live. So now that we have our trading information, like I said, so now you open up your CoinX account and you have to create a live account to get a trading account. So now that we have this information, you're going to need this information right here. So they also send this information to your email address. So if you end up closing this browser by mistake and you can't get back to it, you can go to your email. They send the same information to your email. So right now what we're going to do is about to head over to MetaTrader 4 app. You should have that downloaded. If not, you can go to the bciforex.com page, the getting started, and you can get to the app through that page if you want to. If you don't see it in your Google store, your Apple store, you can get to it there. So we're going to go to our MetaTrader 4 app. So we're going to select our MetaTrader 4 app here. This is what it looks like on Apple, iPhone, or Android. I'm using an Android, so everything may not look the same if you're using iPhone. So we're going to click on MetaTrader 4. And once we do that, at the top left, it should bring you directly to this quotes page. You see it right here. If not, then that's okay, because we're going to, at the top left hand corner, it's a little menu up there. We're going to hit that. A box is going to slide over. Then it's going to say manage accounts, or this may say new accounts. So you're going to see either one, manage accounts or new accounts. I believe it's going to, like I said, I'm using Android. It may do this. It may say the same thing on iPhone. It's going to say manage account or new account. So just look for that. So we're going to select manage accounts. And as you can see, I have accounts here, but you won't see any accounts on yours, especially since you just downloaded MetaTrader 4, so you're brand new. So at the top right hand corner, you're going to click on this plus sign. So this is how you add a new account. Then you're going to see the options of open a demo account and log into an existing account. We want to log into an existing account because we just created one. So we just made an account, remember, through CoinX. So it says find broker. So we want to type in CoinX. That's the broker we signed up with. And it should pop up before you even finish spelling it. So at the bottom, you see it says CoinX Demo and CoinX Live. We opened up a live account. So a live account, that's real money. So that's the type of account we opened up in CoinX. Demo is just a practice account, just for you to practice. But live account, that's what we opened up. So we're going to select Live, CoinX Live. Once you select CoinX Live, that information that you had, that you were provided before by CoinX when you open up a trading account, you're going to enter in that information. So all you're doing is copy and pasting. So basically, you can, like I said, if you still got that browser open, you can go and copy and paste it. If not, you can go to your email and get it there. So me, I still have my browser open, as you can see. So I still have the information right there. So all I'm going to do is just copy this information. So the trading ID is going to go into where it says login, and the password is going to go into the password section. So I'm just going to copy and paste. Okay, now that I copied and pasted that information in here, so I'm going to click sign in now. And now we're linked. As you can see, it says $0 in USD dollars. That's because we haven't made a deposit yet. So once you make that deposit into your CoinX, then your balance, whatever you deposit, is going to show up in the balance. So that would be our next step. So that would be the next step, is to get your account, get your CoinX account deposit. So you basically go back to CoinX to make this deposit here. And you can check that out at BCIForex.com. There's videos showing you how to deposit from Coinbase to CoinX. If you go to BCIForex.com, go to the getting started, scroll all the way down to the bottom on the how-to videos, you will see it's going to say Coinbase, depositing, making a deposit Coinbase to CoinX. And that video is going to show you how to do that. But our next step, what we're going to do on this one, we're going to show you how to place a trade. If you have any problem with anything, you can contact us through this forum. We'll be happy to make more videos, depending on what you guys want us to do a video on. But this next clip that we're going to do is how to place a trade. So we're going to go back to our MetaTrader 4 app. Okay, now we got our account deposited. So now we want to place our first trade with BCI. So we just received our first trading alert with BCI. They send it via text. So at the bottom, right now we're in trade, which is this icon here. So now we want to go over to quotes, which is this icon here. So let's just say that BCI sends us, for an example, sends us a trade alert and it says buy USD JPY, which is dollar Japanese yen, which is this pair right here. Now, if you don't see this pair on your list, then this is how you would add it. So let's, for example, give another example. If BCI says, I want you to buy British pound Swiss francs, so that's GBP CHF. So to add that to this list, because it's nowhere on this list, GBP CHF is not even on here. So now we're going to go up here to this plus sign, and it says find symbols. We're going to type in that pair, GBP CHF, which is British pound versus Swiss franc. All you got to do is click on it, and now it's added to the list. So we go back, we scroll all the way to the bottom, we see it added to the list. Once you add it to the list, it's going to be there forever until you want to take it off. So you don't have to continue to keep adding every time you log out your MetaTrader 4. It should be on there until you decide to delete it. So all right, so let's get back to the example. BCI says it's a trade alert. It says buy USD JPY. So we're going to click on USD JPY. A box is going to pop up. It's going to say new order, open chart, symbol properties, advanced view mode. So we're going to click on new order because this is a new trade and we're placing a new order / trade. Now let me tell you what some of these are, what you're looking at on the screen. So market execution. You're going to, when you get a trade from BCI, it's going to always be on market execution. You're not going to use these other options. So you see buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop. You're not going to use any of that. You should always be on market execution. Market execution means that as soon as you click the buy button, it's going to enter you in right away. The other ones are more of like, you could say delayed, or their future positions. So you don't have to worry about those. Just keep it on market execution, because when we send a trade, we want you to enter into the market right away. So we only send those type of trades. We only send the trades you're supposed to enter in. Now we want you to enter in now into the market. So we're going to keep it on market execution. The left side price, this left price right here, this is the sell price. The right side, this is the buy price. So if they're telling us to buy, we're going to be basically focusing on this side, this number. We're not going to be focused on this one right now. So right now they told us to buy. So BCI entered in at 109.19. So right now, as you can see, the price is at 109.18 right now. That's fine. It don't matter if you're, so we call them pips. They're not pennies or cents. I know they're called cents in real dollars and real money. We call them cents, but in Forex they're called pips. So it doesn't matter if you're a few pips off. So yeah, we're 1 pip off from where BCI got in at. That's fine. So we always recommend, if it's like anywhere between 1 to 10 pips off, we still say jump into the trade. If it's more than 10 pips off, maybe 15 pips or 20 pips off, then we always say just wait for the next trade alert. Don't try to jump in and chase it if it was too late, because sometimes, you know, you may get to it late because you were in the shower or you were asleep or something like that. So unless you can catch it somewhere close to the number we got it, then that's when you can enter it. But if not, if it's 20 pips off, or if you see the number kind of way off, don't even take it. So basically BCI entering at 109.19, okay? Its stop loss says none, so this is the stop loss side. The left side is the stop loss side. Stop loss minimizes your losses, basically. So if you want to take a 20 or 30 pip loss, you can set that here to just take a 20, 30 pip loss. BCI says it had, on this particular trade, there's no stop loss for them. So I want to follow BCI. So I'm not going to enter a stop loss unless they tell me to. But they do have a take profit. So the take profit is on this side. So the take profit is 109.35. So I'm going to push on the plus sign right there. So a number can pop up. and I'm going to change this to 109.35. Okay, so now I got in at 109.35. So we're still not in the trade yet. We're just setting up we're just trying to get the trade ready before we hit the buy button. So now at the top it says the lot size is 1.50. So this doesn't mean it's $1. You're trading at $1.50. So in order to know what this $1.50 means for USD JPY, you have to go to the pip calculator. So you can get to the pip calculator, go to BCI Forex, back to BCI Forex homepage, go to the getting started, scroll all the way down to the bottom in the how-to videos, and look at the pip calculator video. That pip calculator video would show you how to figure out what this is, how much this is per pip. That means every time this number moves up, this number here, every time it moves up, remember like I said, that's called a pip. So if it goes up to 109.19, that's 1 pip. 109.20, that's 2 pips. 109.21, that's 3 pips. So every time it goes up, that's how much money you're going to make every single pip. So right now, you don't know how much this is. 1.50, you don't know how much that is. So you have to go to the pip calculator to figure out how much that is. But to move this video along, we're just going to keep it at 1.50 so we can just show you how to place this trade. But like I said, check out pip calculator. It'll show you how to do that. So right now we got everything set to how BCI told us to set it up. Now we're going to go down to the bottom where it says buy and sell. And like I said, this is a buy trade. So we're going to select buy. And now your trade is open. Now you have invested into USD JPY. If you tap on it, you will see the options that you chose. So like the take profit says 109.35, and as you can see that it says SL, which is stop loss. That doesn't have anything because we didn't set one, because BCI didn't set one. We're only going to do what BCI tells us to do. Sometimes BCI will tell you later to add a stop loss. So if they tell you to add a stop loss later, what we would do is you will hold on to the trade that you just placed, hold it, a box will pop up, and you would click on modify, because now they're telling you to add a stop loss. So now you go back into it. So now if they say add a stop loss, you would click on, just click on a little plus to get a number up, and whatever number they say add a stop loss, you would enter that number in here. But right now, like I said, they didn't tell us to enter one, so we just keep that at 0. Now, if they tell you to close it, say it didn't hit our 109.35 yet, but they want you to close it, then you will hold the trade again with your finger, tap the trade with your finger and hold it, and you will go to close order. Now, if they tell you to close, now you see at the bottom says close with loss. So it's because we're down right now. So if you close it, that's how much you're going to make off the trade if you close it. Right now, if you see it's at zeros, that means we'll just break even. If it goes up, if you're profiting, making money, and it says close it, I think it'll say close with profit, or just say close trade or close with profit. So, but right now, like BCI didn't tell us to close or anything, so we're going to leave it alone. But that's how you will close a trade. If BCI says, hey, close this trade, that's how you close it. So that's how you would place a trade. Again, you can go back to the BCIForex.com page to check out some of the videos. Go to the Getting Started tab. Go all the way down to the bottom to the how-to videos. And it would basically tell you exactly how to use the other apps. It'll show you how to use Coinbase, and it will also show you how to use the pip calculator. Coinbase, you're going to need that because that's how you're going to get your funds over to CoinX, to your broker. That's how you make the deposit. That's how you get money into your account. So you're going to need Coinbase to get money in here, because that's how they only accept Bitcoin. They don't accept, US dollars, so you have to transfer Bitcoin. So you have to go to your Coinbase, make the purchase, turn your dollars into Bitcoin, and then send it over to CoinEx, and that's how you get the money into your account. But you can look at the video again. You can go to the video, and it will show you how to do everything. If you're still stuck, please feel free to contact us through the form on the BCIForex.com page, and we'll help you try to and walk you through it. Also, we are going to try to create other videos if you guys are still not understanding how to complete the whole process. But each trade is going to take you less than 30 seconds. Once you get everything downloaded and you're signed up, it's going to take you about 30 seconds to place a trade. So when BCI sends a trade alert, it's going to take 30 seconds to put it in there. Probably even less than that. Some of you guys are probably faster with your fingers on that, but it won't take you that long. So please just contact us if you have any questions.